Amino acids, tiny building blocks, huge impact. Picture this, you're building a giant Lego castle. What do you need? Millions of those little plastic bricks, right? Well, our bodies are kind of like giant Lego castles. And guess what acts as those tiny essential building blocks? Amino acids. They might be small, but they're responsible for practically everything our bodies do. What exactly are amino acids? Okay, so what exactly are these magical amino acids? Well, let's dive in and explore. Imagine them as tiny, busy bees, each with a crucial role to play. Each bee has a special job to do in a bustling hive, contributing to the hive's overall health and productivity. Similarly, amino acids are like mini molecules with unique roles in the grand scheme of life. They are the building blocks of proteins, which are essential for countless bodily functions. They're the fundamental units that make up proteins, which are like the workers of our body. These proteins are involved in everything from muscle repair to enzyme function, and even hormone production. Without amino acids, our bodies would be like a beehive without bees. Chaos. Just as a hive would collapse without its bees, our bodies would fail to function properly without these essential molecules. So next time you think about your body's health, remember the tiny amino acids working tirelessly behind the scenes, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Amino acids, the protein construction crew. Remember those Legos, those colorful, interlocking bricks that you could use to build anything your imagination could conjure up? Think of proteins as elaborate structures built from them. Just like a Lego masterpiece, proteins are constructed from smaller building blocks. Each Lego brick is an amino acid. These amino acids are the fundamental units that come together to form proteins. They link together in long chains, folding and twisting into intricate shapes. This process is like watching a time-lapse of a Lego structure being built piece by piece until a complex form emerges. These amazing protein structures then carry out all sorts of vital tasks in our bodies. They are the workhorses of our cells, performing a variety of functions that keep us alive and healthy. Some proteins, like collagen, give our skin its elasticity. Collagen fibers weave together to provide strength and flexibility, making our skin resilient. Others, like enzymes, help us digest food. Enzymes act as catalysts, speeding up chemical reactions in our digestive system to break down the food we eat into nutrients our bodies can use. And let's not forget about antibodies, the protein superheroes that fight off infections. These specialized proteins recognize and neutralize harmful invaders like bacteria and viruses, keeping us safe from disease. A colorful variety of amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins, and they come in a dazzling array of forms and functions. Just like Legos come in different colors and sizes, there are 20 different types of amino acids. Each one has a unique role in our bodies, much like how each Lego piece has a specific place in a larger structure. Some, like histidine and leucine, our bodies can't make on their own. These are known as essential amino acids, and they play crucial roles in various bodily functions, from building muscle to supporting the immune system. We call these essential amino acids because we need to get them from the food we eat. A balanced diet ensures we get all the essential amino acids our bodies need to function optimally. Luckily, they're found in all sorts of delicious things. From savory dishes to sweet treats, these amino acids are hidden in many of our favorite foods. Meat, fish, beans, lentils, and other legumes are rich sources of these vital nutrients. Including a variety of these foods in your diet can help ensure you're getting enough essential amino acids, and nuts are all excellent sources of these vital building blocks. Nuts and seeds in particular are not only packed with essential amino acids, but also provide healthy fats and other important nutrients. Amino acids, powering your body's superpowers. Want strong muscles? Amino acids help build and repair those. Need a boost of energy? Amino acids are involved in that too. They even contribute to a healthy immune system, keeping you fighting fit against those pesky germs. So how can you make sure you're getting enough of these mighty molecules? Eat a balanced diet with plenty of protein-rich foods. Fun fact finale, you're made of star stuff. Here's a mind-blowing fact. The atoms that make up amino acids, and therefore you, were forged in the fiery hearts of stars billions of years ago. So next time you're feeling small, remember this. You are literally made of stardust. And it's those amazing amino acids that help make you, well, you.